How to change Facebook password without old password. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can change your Facebook password without your old password. So let's dive in. So first, open your Facebook app, or you can go to the browser and search for facebook.com, and then you have to enter your mobile number or your email address. And then if you have forgotten your password and now you want to change your old password without your old password, you simply have to click forgotten password over here. And then it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to enter your mobile number, or you can search by email address instead. Click this option if you want to search by email address, and then you have to enter your email address over here. I'm going to enter my email address over here, and then you have to click continue. Once done, click continue. Now here you can see it's going to bring you to this page, and it's going to ask you for your password. So you have to click try another way because we have forgotten our old password. Now you can log in with your Google account, or you can get code or link via email, or you can get code via Facebook notification, or you can enter password to log in. As we have forgotten our password, so we are going to get a link or code on our email address. Click this option over here and then click continue, or else you can just log in with your Google account by clicking this option. Now click continue, and if you have no longer access to these, you can click that option. Now you have to enter the code over here to confirm that it's your account. Now go back and open your email address over here, and then you have to search for the email that you just received and enter the code right here. Now once you enter your code, you have to click continue, and then it's going to bring up this page for you, and you have to wait for it to load. And now you can just create a new password over here. Just type in a new password, and then you have to click log out of all other devices and choose this if someone else used your account. You can use this option else too. Now enter the new password and click continue. Also, you can skip this option if you want. And now you have logged into your Facebook account successfully, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.